Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, I am back here on my Krusteaz. I'm gonna be doing this all summer, y'all. And y'all been new to the channel every Tuesday or Wednesday or whatever. Especially on the old school big country breakfast. I'm gonna try to do something from Krusteaz brand product. And today, y'all, I know this gonna be good. I love cranberry orange muffin mix. This is definitely something good for breakfast. And like I was telling y'all, I know the Krusteaz waffle mix. I've been using it for years, and I've done the pancake mix. I did the cornbread, I think, a week ago, maybe last week, and it was also good. So today we're gonna try this out. I got everything already measured out. I looked on the back of the box cake Kenneth. You might have to help me out on this one, buddy. I'm getting closer and closer to cake mixes again, y'all. But this is fun. Like I said, in the summertime, I'm kind of what they call in the industry, mailing it in. So, yeah, I'm just having a little fun here in the summer, y'all. Taking it easy, not trying to do so much, and trying some mixes out. So, anyway, let's get started here, y'all. I'm going to open this up. Like I said, I got everything measured out here. You got two eggs. You got a half a cup of oil and a half a cup of water. We're going to add it to this here. Pour this in the bowl here. And then you pour the cranberries in after you get everything mixed up. So, it's pretty much easy. Okay, here. Let me get this up out the way. Yeah, I love me some cranberry orange muffins, y'all. Love it, love it, love it. Get this up out the way. Go and open this up, and they say don't even drain the cranberries. They say just pour them in here just like this. So I'll do that once I get everything mixed up here. Like I said, can't go wrong with cranberry mix. The cranberries, y'all. Like I said, it's more of a holiday type muffin. Okay. Like I say, pour the oil and eggs in here and mix it up really, really good. That's the oil and water right there. The egg, of course. And we're going to mix this up, and then it say, pour the cranberries in there after you mix it up. So this looks pretty easy. All mixed up here. Kind of excited to see how this going to come out, y'all. I'm excited to see how this gonna come out. Okay, right there. Thing right here. All right. Got my cranberry. Say just pour that in there like this. Just gotta fold them in right here like this, y'all. How easy is that, huh? How easy is this, y'all? Alrighty. That one took 2 minutes, y'all. It didn't take that long. Okay. Move this over here. Okay. All right, y'all. Let me get my muffin tins here. It says it's supposed to make 12. So normally 12 is a recipe. Muffin mix usually is 12 normally. So we're going to see here. We're definitely going to see here, y'all. And you know, only thing I'm gonna do different that ain't on the recipe I like to do with my muffin mix, I like to put a little sugar on top of my muffin mix. I got 12 out of here. Recipe is right on, pretty much right on point, y'all. definitely got 12 out of there. Okay, like I say, y'all, the only thing I'm gonna do differently, I like to put a little sugar on top of my muffin mixes. Give it that little shine as they come out. Like I say, don't say this on the recipe, but there's something about a little sugar on top of the muffins. It really takes it over the top. Okay, it's at 400 degrees, y'all, for, let me see here. 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. After 18 to 20 minutes, we'll have some old school, not already old school, but Krusteaz orange, what's it called here? Cranberry orange, okay. Cranberry orange muffin mix. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at these muffins, y'all. Nice, nice golden brown. Like I said, a little sugar on top. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna let them sit here about 5 minutes. I'm gonna take them out, put them on my plate here, and we're gonna come back. I don't think I'm gonna put no butter between these. Y'all know usually when I do my muffins, I like to put butter in between it, but I'm not gonna put butter in here. I'm gonna just eat them just like that to get the whole muffin experience of them. So anyway, you know, like I say, orange and cranberry, can't go wrong with that, orange and cranberry. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back here in about 2 seconds, YouTube time, 5-6 minutes my time. Anyway, we're gonna try these out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, here, look at this here. It's still hot, y'all. Look at that muffin there. Look at that muffin. Got that nice sugar on there. So we're gonna try to get this over here. Hope we can get the paper. Sometimes you gotta let them cool before you tear the paper off. Oh yeah, it's coming off of there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that steam coming out of that muffin, y'all. See that? Maybe I should have put some butter in between it. Okay, we're gonna try it out here. Krusteaz muffin mix. Wow, y'all. It's actually good, y'all. Look at that. Very good. The orange, you can taste the orange is coming through like crazy. And then the cranberry, a little tartness of the cranberry, a little sweetness of the, man, all these flavors work good together. I'm learning a little something this summer, y'all. Krusteaz, they got about 4 or 5 more different items out there that I'm gonna try from this company. But this one here, scale of 1 to 10, I give it about an 8.5, almost 9. Not bad. Like I say, this summer, I'm mailing it in. I'm taking it easy. But anyway, y'all, let me close the video out. It's really good, y'all. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. And I mean that. Old School Soul Food. So next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.